Hi everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a search box in Google Sheet. In this Google Sheet, I will create a search box. I have made these imaginary data for practice. Though there is a small amount of data here, you know better how important it is to have a search box when you have a huge data list. At first I have to open New Sheet clicking the plus sign. Here, I will create a search box. For a better look, I will add color. Here, I will write the formula. I will start with an equal sign to write the formula. I have to type filter. Then, parenthesis. I have to go to the sheet where my intended information exists. The entire table has to be selected. So, when I type my keyword in the search box, it will gather information from this chosen area. Then, I will write search and parenthesis. Now, I need to specify the cell where I will enter the keyword for which I want to retrieve information. To specify the cell, just click on it. Or, you can write the cell name. My cell name is E3. Now, I have to go back to the first sheet. Here, I have to select the column that contains my keywords. If I search in the search box, writing any of the words or letters this column contains, it will show all the information related to the keywords or letters. Finally, I will close the formula with two parentheses. Now hit enter. Now it has brought all the information from first sheet. Now, I can search, typing any words enlisted in the first column of the first sheet. I don't have to write all the words. Only a single word can find you all the information. Here, I have written only TechWave without writing TechWave Solutions. Still, I get all the information. Again, instead of writing Greenleaf Innovations, I can write only green. You can write any fraction of a word. Even, you can write a single letter to find the information. You can create a search box in Excel in many ways, but this method is comparatively simple. Thanks for watching.